guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Vanessa, she back and she better. So as you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make covers for your Instagram account. So actually making covers on Instagram is quite different from making covers on YouTube. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do that on your Instagram. If you guys are interested to know how to do that, then definitely keep on watching this video. But before we get started into this video, I need you guys to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. We are so close to 7,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. I'm working hard on producing more quality content for you guys. So keep on subscribing and let's get to 10K. Yes, we can do this. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started into this video. Let's go. Alright guys, so the first thing that you're going to need to do is, of course, follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram account right here. It's just at Vanessa Reynauld. So you guys should totally go follow me to keep up with my updates and interact with me, whatever. Yeah, just follow me on my Instagram. So as you guys can see, I also posted like my YouTube cover, but on my Instagram, I only post like a minute of that cover, and then I'll be like, if you guys want to watch the full version of my cover, then definitely go to my YouTube channel to watch the full cover. So that is just basically how I market my videos, because if I were to post the full version on my Instagram, people will finish watching it and they won't have a reason to go to my YouTube channel to watch it, because you know, I need my views on my YouTube channel as well. So that's how you can do it if you have a YouTube channel. So if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can literally just post the full cover on your Instagram, because now Instagram has a new feature. It's called IGTV. So IGTV allows you to post a longer videos, but the maximum time is still 5 minutes only. So yeah, that's just what I wanted to say before we get started. So now let's just get started into the technical stuff. Alright guys, so the first thing that you're gonna need to do is figure out a song that you want to do a cover of. So let's say you want to do a cover of Señorita. So we're gonna go onto YouTube and search for Señorita karaoke. I'm gonna choose this one. This is what I use for my previous cover. So you want to click on the 3 dots at the side, and then you want to click share and copy the link, and you want to go on to documents, this app right here, documents, download that app in the App Store, and then you want to go onto this button right here. You want to search for YouTube to MP3 converter. Boom. And then just click on whichever link. If it doesn't work, then click a different link, and then you want to paste the link right here, and you want to click convert. So now that it's done converting, you just want to click on the download button, and something like this will pop up, and then you want to just click done. And as you can see, it's downloading right here. So once it's complete, you want to click on the 3 blue dots on the bottom, and you want to click on share, and you want to click save to files, and then save it to documents by Reynauld, and then click add. So now you want to go on to GarageBand. To start a new project, you want to click on the plus sign, and you want to click on voice. And the first thing that you're gonna do is you want to switch off the metronome, and you're gonna go onto this plus sign right here, and you want to extend this, so turn on automatic. And then now we're gonna go onto this button right here, and we are going to import the song. So to import the song, you're gonna click on this infinity thing, and then you want to go to files, and then browse item from files app, and as you can see, your music is right here, but I'm not going to use this music. I'm going to use this Señorita, and then there you go, it is imported to GarageBand. So So to record your vocals, I usually use a microphone to record my vocals. So if you don't have a microphone, you can literally just use your earphones. The quality is just as good. So all is left to do right now is to record your vocals. So I'm not going to record my vocals right now because I'm just demonstrating it for you guys, but just know that this is the time where you record your vocals. So all you need to do is make sure you are selected on the right input. So for the vocal input is right here, so make sure it's selected right here, and then once it is confirmed that it's selected right there, you want to click on this red button, which is the button to record your vocals. So make sure to put in your earphones and record it so that you can hear the music and record it along with it. So just hit on record and just sing. I love it when you call me señorita, whatever. So pretty much record your vocals until you are satisfied and you're pretty much done with the audio part. If you guys want to learn further on how to record your vocals, make sure to watch my videos. I teach you guys how to record your vocals. So yeah, click the link up here. I have a whole playlist on that, so you guys can click the link up here to watch my playlist on that. Alright guys, so now we are going to go straight into filming the video. Now that we got the audio recorded, we're going to go straight into filming it. So when you pre-record your audio, you're going to have to lip sync it when you're filming the video. So depending on what you decide to post, either a IGTV or a Instagram video, always keep in mind that an Instagram video is only 1 minute and IGTV is 5 minutes long. So just keep that in mind. So I am just assuming that most of you guys are just using your phone to record this. So since you already recorded your vocals on this phone, you're going to want to make sure that you send out that audio to a different phone so that you can record on this phone and listen to your vocals on a different device. You know what I'm saying? So this is my other device. I'm just going to lip sync to my Señorita cover, and I'm just going to use my phone to film it. You get what I mean, right? You have to listen to your pre-recorded audio, otherwise it's going to be tough to screen record. So this is what I would usually do for my Instagram cover. So you can just pretend that you're singing with a mic, or if you recorded it with your earphones, then put your earphones in and then just hold the speaker part or the mic part and just like sing to it, you know what I'm saying? Señorita, I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for ya. So it was a little bit hard for me because I was holding my hand like this and I didn't have a tripod, so I wasn't doing much actions. But when you are lip singing to your own vocals, make sure you are singing it and not just like opening your mouth without any sound. Make sure you are singing along with your vocals because that's going to look more realistic, if you know what I mean. So now that we got the video recorded, it's time to edit and match up your pre-recorded audio with your video lip sync. Okay, so let's get into the editing part. Alright guys, so the app that we're going to be using today to edit the video is iMovie. So we're going to go straight into iMovie, and you're going to click on this plus sign right here, and you're going to click on movie, and you're going to click on the video that you recorded, and you want to click create movie. As you can see, it's about 1 minute long. So once you imported the footage, make sure you cut out the unnecessary parts of the video. So right at the first beat, you want to split and then cut off the unnecessary parts. So right at the first beat, right here, this is the first beat. So I'm gonna click on the footage and I'm gonna click on split, and then you're gonna click on this unnecessary part and you want to click on delete. So now it's left with just the actual song and not the talking part at the front, if you know what I mean. So after that, you want to click on done, and you want to remember the name of your project, which is My Movie 27, and then you can exit the app. And now we're gonna import the pre-recorded audio. So now we want to go straight into GarageBand, and we're gonna export the pre-recorded audio that we just did. So in my case, it is Senorita. So you want to long press on that, and there's a bunch of options. You want to click on share, and you want to share it as a song and whatever quality you wish to share it as, and then click on share and then search for copy to iMovies. Okay, so now that it is like done exporting, you want to click on the name of your project. Remember, I told you guys to remember that. So it's My Movie 27. Click on that, and then as you can see, the pre-recorded audio is imported. So now we're gonna listen to it and see which one is later than the other, so that we can match up the lip sync with the pre-recorded audio. So as you can see, the music is the pre-recorded audio is later than the footage. So we're gonna cut the unnecessary parts of the pre-recorded audio. So to do that, I like to mute the video first and then listen to the first beat right here. This is the first beat, and then I'm gonna click on the scissors, and then click on split and then cut this unnecessary part. So now we're gonna boost up the volume for the video, and we're gonna hear. So it's still a tad bit like not matching. So this is the strategy. So if the footage is faster than the pre-recorded audio, then you want to add more footage of the video. But if the pre-recorded audio is faster than the video, then you want to add more. You want to pull it more to the left, if you know what I'm saying. Like, you just need to play around with it, and you need to have good hearing. Just listen to which one is moving faster than the other one, and then just like play around with it. Seriously, just play around with it. So I'm just gonna do this real quick, and I'm gonna be right back. So after you got it to like match perfectly, then you can switch off the volume on the video itself, and you just let the pre-recorded audio play. Just switch off the volume on the video. So as you can see, everything is matching up. And that's it. All you need to do now is click on done and click on save video, and it should save to your camera roll. Okay guys, so as you can see, it is exported to my photo library. But I know some people, they like to add borders to their videos. So to do that, I have this app. It is called InShot right here. This app is really cool because you can crop your pictures and crop your videos and all that. So click on video, and you want to add a new video, which is this one. And then you can add like canvas, like you can adjust the canvas, like how you want it to look. Usually people post it at 1.1, and then they'll like add text on top. Just add Senorita right here. Like, yeah, people like to do this kind of stuff. So yeah, you can go ahead and do that. Play around with the app. It's really simple. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video. Yes, as you guys can tell, there is a lot of steps to this, but it's actually not that hard. So I really hope I helped you guys out. If you guys learned something from this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel because that would mean so much. And also leave a comment down below if you decide to do a Instagram cover, then tag me, let me know your Instagram username and I will go check out your video. And yeah, I'm so happy that I got this video done. Yes. And yeah, I guess that's all I want to say for this outro. Like and subscribe, comment down below some video ideas, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, thank you for watching.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay.